$17.5 million for a car. Sounds insane, right? But what if I told you that this car isn't just transportation? It's a rolling piece of art, crafted by one of the most passionate minds in automotive history. This is the story of the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, the rarest Zonda ever made. The HP Barchetta was revealed in 2018 to celebrate Horacio Pagani's 60th birthday and the 18th anniversary of the Zonda. But here's the catch. Only 3 units were ever built. That's right, just 3 in the entire world. The design is breathtaking, an open-top roadster with no proper roof, a cut-down windshield, and those iconic half-covered rear wheels that make it instantly recognizable. It doesn't look like any other car on the planet, because it isn't meant to. Under the hood lies a naturally aspirated 7.3-liter AMG V12, pushing out 789 horsepower. It's paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox because Pagani wanted pure driving emotion, not just numbers. Imagine this: wind blasting, V12 screaming, and no roof above your head. That's the raw experience Horacio Pagani wanted the HP Barchetta to deliver. And then comes the price. When it was unveiled, the HP Barchetta was valued at an unbelievable $17.5 million, making it the most expensive new car in the world at that time. Today, its value is even higher, because with just 3 cars in existence, collectors would pay almost anything to own one. For Horacio Pagani, this wasn't just a car, it was his personal tribute, a dream turned into reality. So why does the Zonda HP Barchetta matter? Because it represents what cars can truly be: passion, emotion, and art fused together in carbon fiber and V12 power. Only 3 people in the world will ever drive one, but everyone can dream of it. Would you spend $17 million on a single car if it was this?